This March Madness finally came to an end with Villanova winning the NCAA championship. The team Villanova played against in the championship game was the Michigan Wolverines. The final score of the game was 79-62. This was the second championship in 3 years for Villanova. The 2018 NCAA March Madness ended with Villanova beating Michigan 79-62. The game started with Michigan coming out hot to make a 7-point lead. By the end of the first half, Villanova had built a 9-point lead. In the second half, Villanova exploded to make the 22-point lead. As time expired, Villanova was comfortably cutting down the nets down in San Antonio. For Villanova, Jalen Brunson, frontrunner for Player of the Year, only had 9 points, but Donte DiVincenzo had a career high of 31 points. Donte won MOP, which is Most Outstanding Player. Jalen Brunson said, "He worked so hard to make himself the best player he can every day." Talk about Villanova becoming a dynasty will soon be taking place for a great reason. To conclude, March Madness has finally come to an end, with Villanova winning it all. They beat Michigan 79-62. Donte won MOP of the tournament. Villanova wins their second championship in the last 3 years. Here's my works cited. The author was Kyle Boone. It was published April 3rd, 2018. The title was March Madness 2018. Villanova wins NCAA championship. I accessed this website April 5th, 2018. And there's the URL. And I got all of it from CBS. There's the final score.